Hi, I'm Billi Maddox, and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. Hi, and welcome back to my weird little Batuu bound project. And I do believe this is the last video of the project. I'm in con crunch. Actually, probably when you're watching this and the last two that you watched, I would have already been to Disney. And I'm probably back already, but I don't know when these are coming back. I'm trying to get all this done before I leave. So I'm shooting in advance and recording in advance and all that stuff. Anyway, enough of that. This is the last little bit, and it is my bag, which is not gonna have a lot done to it because this is the bag I take to work every day. It's got my work laptop in it. It's a tiny laptop, that's why it's a tiny bag. It's a sort of, off the shoulder kind of, or like a cross shoulder sort of sling bag situation. Hence the title. I think I called it sling bag. I don't know. Anyway. I'm not going to do much to it because this is not going to be a quote-unquote costume piece that will always stay a costume piece. I do have to use this on a daily basis, so I wanted to do something subtle but still sort of fit in. And what I did was add a stencil, an Aurebesh stencil that says Maddox. That's what it reads, if you were wondering. And essentially this is a video that's going to show you another way to do a stencil. Up in the right hand corner right now, I'm going to pop up a video of me doing a 3-color stencil and a way that you can do that, and a simple tiny stencil that you can do with paint, and now this stencil. I'm kind of crazy with stencils right now. And this one I'm going to do in Sharpie, so it's going to be really quick, really easy. And the advantage to this is that you get something that kind of looks like it has been blended into the fabric that you do it on, as opposed to it being a application of paint that kind of looks like it sits on top of it. I wanted it to kind of blend in there and then sort of over time kind of blur out a bit. It probably will, I don't know. But it's permanent, so. Anyway, it made for a very easy stencil experience because there is no runny, liquidy paint getting underneath the stencil. You really just have to sort of blot down your stencil. You get really, really sharp edges, which is a treat because nothing bleeds down underneath it. So that was cool. Anyway, that's pretty much all I did to this bag. It does have a sort of old look to it already as a bag in and of itself, with the color and the sort of the textures that are there. So I didn't want to do too much to it again because this is my work bag, so I can't it's got to be presentable if I'm gonna take it to work every day. So just wanted to add that little detail, and it's coming with me to Batuu, to Galaxy's Edge. Anyway, thanks so much for riding along with me on this project. I feel like I was getting ready for a convention because I did a lot of projects in a very short amount of time, and as you're watching this, I'm currently wearing them, I'm sure. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Roll the thing.